Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. To stay safe online, use the link in the description below. Blaze AI is marketed as an all-in-one tool for researching and writing viral content, especially for Twitter and LinkedIn. But is it actually useful, or just another AI content shortcut? Here's an honest breakdown. Blaze AI helps users generate content ideas, research viral posts, and write or rewrite tweets, threads, hooks, and captions. It also includes trend monitoring and a swipe file feature to track top-performing content across niches. It's got an AI-powered tweet and thread generator, viral post analysis and inspiration feeds, swipe folder to save and organize content ideas, and browser extension for quick capture. It works across Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms. The pros include that it speeds up content ideation and drafting. It helps reverse engineer viral posts with breakdowns. It's got a clean UI and fast output, and it's very useful for creators posting daily or testing different angles. The cons, output often needs manual editing for tone and originality. It doesn't guarantee engagement or traction. It's got limited differentiation from other AI writing tools. Its best results still depend on user strategy and audience knowledge. I'd say that Blaze AI is a helpful assistant for content creators, especially on Twitter and LinkedIn. It won't replace your voice or instincts, but it can speed up research and writing if used thoughtfully. For those looking to post consistently without reinventing the wheel, it's a solid tool, but it's not a magic bullet. If this video helped, give it a like, comment down below what you want to see from us next, and subscribe for more. Catch you when I catch you.